registered agent has the primary responsibility for receiving notices of litigation, service of process for the business. Service of process means that you have been served with a writ, complaint, or summons to appear in court, so it's imperative that these documents be received in a timely manner. Other documents often sent to the registered agent may be vital tax documents or annual reports with a filing deadline required by the state. I have several reasons. The first relates to the fact that the name and address of the registered agent are included in the articles filed with the state, which makes this information part of the public record. Many business owners do not want to have their personal name and address publicly accessible. By using a commercial registered agent, you now have their name and address in the public record instead of yours. Also, you may be out of the office when key legal documents requiring immediate action might be delivered. If you are not there to respond promptly to a notice of litigation, for example, you could get a default judgment against you for failing to answer a claim in a timely manner. Second, individuals have the tendency to move offices, switch employers, be transferred to another state, retire. If the records are not updated with the state before process is served, the company may not receive notice of litigation. And because you are required to notify the state anytime you make a change regarding the status of your registered agent or registered agent address, which often incurs additional state filing fees, you may find it more convenient to use a commercial registered agent as the point of contact, since their address rarely changes and you can be certain that your important documents will get to you promptly. The third reason is the embarrassment of having a process server show up in front of your customers, employees, or even your neighbors, depending on what address you used. This can totally disrupt your business. Plus, the potential for mishandling the process documents. Most people have no idea what to do with the paperwork that's just been served on them, especially if it's one of your employees that just happened to be standing in the reception area and a process server shows up. All they have to do is hand the documents to them. Are they trained or have any idea what should happen next? Don't risk late fees and penalties, or worse yet, a default judgment, simply because your company could not be served and failed to respond to a court order in the time prescribed by the law. If you prefer reliability and confidentiality, then let Sage International Inc. become the critical conduit for managing ongoing legal requirements associated with your company.